What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Boss Happy Dr. Amboy Gishigi. If it's your first time in my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So if you're a photographer out there and you're trying to look for ways that you can make that extra cash, despite you having probably a studio, or you don't even have a studio, if you're trying to learn photography and you're looking for ways that you can make money, I am here to help you guys know some platforms that exist that can help you make some money on the side, or some pocket money, some income. That is if photography is your passion. And the good thing with these platforms, you don't necessarily have to have a camera. It is advisable because quality matters a lot. But if you have a good phone, I don't know why you're still sitting at home, and you can go out there and take nice pictures of the market, take nice pictures to showcase Africa, because that is what people want to see. So in short, our topic for today is how photographers make money on Pixabay and Pexels. And also there's another one called Unleash. There's also Adobe Stock. So I'm super excited that you're here and you are interested in learning on how to make money on Pixabay and Pexels, as it says on the title. And yes, you have the opportunity to profit from your photography skills and also reach a wider audience, international, thanks to these two or more platforms. So here are some of the strategies that can help you raise your earning potential on Pixabay and Pexels platforms. So number one, having a basic understanding of Pixabay and Unleash and Pexels is very important before you talk about revenue options, because you have to understand that this platform provide free photos to their users. So users don't have to pay for your photos to use them. It is a free platform for users or people looking for these photos, and the photos can be used for a very wide range of purposes, like for personal use, for commercial use, but it does not mean that you cannot make money out of it. So let's talk about the photographer monetization options. So the first one is regarding image licensing. You can share your pictures using the Creative Commons 0, the CC0 license on Pixabay and Pexels, and anyone can use your photos for free, but they cannot claim ownership of them and they cannot use them to promote their own products. But you can make money by donating, or if you make your photos accessible for licensing outside of these platforms. Number two is participating in partnership programs. Pixabay and Pexels, they have alliances with other websites that sell stock photos, e.g. Adobe Stock, and therefore you can earn royalties for signing up for these programs if your photos are licensed through their partner networks. The third one is providing unique content. You can always choose to charge for exclusive or premium content. Like you can provide free photos, but at the end of the day you can always have premium and exclusive content for people who want to have more of your content. Another way that you can make money from this platform is building a profitable portfolio. Having a solid portfolio is essential if you want to increase your chances of making money on Pixabay and Pexels. And of course, you have to upload images with the excellent technical quality, an appealing aesthetic, and a range of subjects and themes. This will help you attract a wide audience, which will increase the possibility of people downloading your photos. And the more they download, the more your photos are pushed to a wider audience. Also, you will have to use relevant tags, relevant titles, so that people can really know what your photo is all about. Because when they are searching, of course, they will search for something like, let's say, for example, a photo of a woman in the market. So when you're posting your video, make sure that you explain or you use the relevant hashtags so that the person searching is able to connect to your photo or to your content. Another one is consistent uploads. Keep updating your portfolios with fresh content so that you can keep it fresh and lively. This will help keep you active and engaged in the platform. The way is to market your content. You have to market your work. To increase your work visibility and attract more clients, you must market it. You can spread the word about your images and on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or as you call it, X nowadays. Use relevant hashtag, engage with your fans, direct them to your Pixabay and Pexels profiles so that they can gain more exposure. Also, take part in discussions. Critique the work of other photographers and also remark on it. Making connections in this area could boost your profile and attract new clients. And also, you have to collaborate with other photographers. So you have to consider organizing collaborative photographic projects or topic collections, as this will help you broaden the audience for your work and also can open doors for cross promotions. Tracking and analyzing performance. By keeping tabs on your performance, you're able to know which strategies are working and which ones are not working. And then you can, adjust the approach accordingly. You can choose to go the one that are working more and leave whatever is not working for your content. Always use the statistic that Pixabay and Pexels provide for you so that you can know which of your content are being downloaded more, which has more engagement, if it's the photos in the market or the photos in the game packs or the photos on a normal day that are doing well. Post more of that. So another thing that will help you is to discover popular trends. Look at the photos categories that are in high demand and coordinate your upcoming uploads with those trends. This will increase the likelihood that users will mostly download your photos and also pay for them. Last one is improving your revenue potential. These are some of the strategies that will help you increase, your revenue earning potential. If you provide premium material, experimenting with price can help you discover the balance between attracting customers and also optimizing earnings. The other way that you can improve your earning potential is extending your reach to other platforms. While Pixabay and Pexels are popular, consider researching other stock photography's website to reach a bigger audience and diversify your income streams. Number 3 is creating special limited edition content that is only available on Pixabay or Pexels. This may appear to those who are actively seeking for unique offerings and are willing to pay a premium for them. And to sum up, by utilizing the monetization options, building a good portfolio, effectively promoting your work, keeping track of your performance, you as a photographer can be able to make and generate a steady income on Pixabay and Pexels. And now that we have talked about Pixabay and Pexels, which are free for users, there are also other platforms that are not free that you can post your photos. This includes Dreamstime, Shutterstock, Big Stock, and iStock. These are not free, so you can open an account with them and start uploading. It is very easy. You don't have to struggle with this. And that is it for today, guys. If you want me to show you guys how you can open an account with Pexels or Pixabay or iStock, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to help you go through the process from the start to the end. Until next time, take care and goodbye.